Hi there, hi everyone. Good afternoon. Today on Sunday, we will continue with the additional of the weekend edition of Saturday, July the 8th, 2023. It's today, Sunday, the 9th. Yes, July the 9th. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. So, three puzzles are left: the binary, the tectonic, and the 4 stars Sudoku. Yes, the 4 stars Sudoku. And number, this will be number 6725. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this wheel of 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 4 twos. Alright. We have here 3 threes, 2 fours, 3 fives, 2 sixes, and 1 7, 2 3 eights, and 3 nines. So the twos are in majority. Can I start with the 2? That's my question. Can I start with the 2? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here, 2 in this column, no 2 in that box. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see here, 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. Oh, there we see 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. Cannot continue with the 2 now. Need to wait. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the third column, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column. Now only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4, okay. 6. Alright, 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Then yeah, you need to wait. 8 here. 5. 5. Okay, need a 6 here. 6, 4. Need a 4 here. Need a 7 here. Well. 3. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers in this row are the numbers: the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 3, 6, 8. 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8. And look, we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. Here, 3 in this column, no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. So the 6 and the 8 are left. Cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3, 3. 3, okay. Come on. Need a 1 here. Need a 3 here. 5 here. Need a we have a pair here. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 and a 5. Wait. We have a pair. In this big square, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 3 and a 5. We have a 3 and a 5 in this row, so no 3 and a 5 in this box. We have 3 and a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row, so no 3 and a 5 in those 3 boxes. And we have a 3 and a 5 in the second column, so no 3 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 and a 5 in this big square goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Alright. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Then we have a 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here. Oh, there we see a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then 7 and 8, and 7, 8, and 6. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 here. 6. Need a 6 there. Okay. Alright. Need a 3 there. Come on. 6, 7, 8. Yeah, I need an 8 here. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is number 8. In the second column. We have an 8 in the last row, so no 8 there. Here can be an 8 because we have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. Alright. Now, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in the last column, so no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, could be there. Here, in this big square, we have 2 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Then here we have 2 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. We have 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then. Well, 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Here we have the 3 and the 5. So the other 2 missing numbers in this row are the numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. That means 1 digit left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. Yeah, 6 is missing. We have a 6 here. Okay. Need a 4 here. Need a 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4, 5, 8. 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8. And look, we have 4 and 8 in this column, so no 4 and 8 in this box. 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So if I eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. So 2 missing numbers now in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 9 goes there. Alright. I need a 1 and a 2, I believe. Yeah, we have a pair. 1 and a 2. Sorry, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and a 2. Look, we have 1 and a 2 in this column. 1 and a 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 3 places left for the 1 and 2 goes in these 3 boxes. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. And look, we have 1 and a 2 in this row, so no 1 and a 2 in this box. 1 and a 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other pair in this big square, the numbers the 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have a 6 in the last row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. Alright. And now 4 and 8. Need a 9 here. Okay. 4, 7, 5, 4, 7, 5. Interesting. Here need a 6. Need a 5 here. Need a 1 here. Need a 5. Need a 9 here. 9. Yeah. 3, 4. Actually, 4 missing numbers. In the second row, one of the missing numbers is a 9. Here can be a 9 because we have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 there. Here can be a 9 because we have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. So the 9 in the second row could be here, could be there, here or there. Well, we see another 9 in the middle column, so no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9, okay. So the 4 and the 8 are left here, okay. Let me think. Need a 9 here. 9, okay. Yeah, thinking. 1. Need 2. Need 2 here also. We have a pair again. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 9. Look, we have a 2 and a 9 in this column. First column, 2 and a 9 in the second column. So the third column, only 3 places left for the 2 and a 9 goes in these 3 boxes. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. And look, we have a 2 and a 9 in this row, so no 2 and a 9 in this box. 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what are the other 3 missing numbers? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and 7 is missing. 3, 5, 7. 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. And look, we have a 3 in this row. So no 3 in this box. The 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. Here we have 3 and a 5. Well, we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column. So this box can be 3 and more. This box should be a 5, and that box should be a 3. Here we have 3, 5, 7. Well, we have a 3 and a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So the 3 and a 7 cannot be in this in this box. So 1 digit left should be the 5. So the 3 and the 7 are left in this big square. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then 7. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 4 and the 7. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. How about 4 and 8, 7, 8, and need a 5 here. Need a 5 here. Yeah. Need a 5 here. Alright. We have a 4 here, we have a 4 there. That means in the last column, here can be a 4 because we have a 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 4 should be in one of these two boxes. The 4, okay. How about, yeah, the 8 here, or the 3 there. Come on, this is taking too long. Need a 6 here. Need a 3 here. Need a 5 here. Yeah. 5 in this row, 5 in a row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Okay. 4, 8, and the 7 are missing. 7 and 8. Well, 7, 8. Okay. Come on. This is taking too long. 1 and a 2. Need a 2 here. Need a 9 here. 9. Need a 9. 9 in the first row. 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see a 9 this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. Need a 4 here. 2 missing numbers in the last column for them as the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and 2, we have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 to 9, we have a 2 now in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for the mass. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 and a 6, we have a 6 now in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 and a 7, we have a 4 now in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 7 goes there. So we have a 7 in this last column, 7 in the column X. On that column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. The 1 in the third row, the 1 in the second row. So the first row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for them is the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 3 in the second row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 8 goes there. 7 and 8, we have 8 now in the second row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then the 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for them is the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 4 goes there, and the final 2 numbers, same numbers, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 19 minutes. 1 minute more than the previous Sudoku, 19 minutes. Well, I'm well pleased with the time. So is this really a 4 stars? No. Let me give this the 2 stars. Yeah, I'm faster than 20 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.